Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's video, we will learn how to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers. A fundamental skill in computing and programming. Don't worry if you are new to this. I will guide you through each step so it's easy to understand. Let's jump right in and start converting. Now let's see how to convert the decimal number 43 into binary. Step 1. We divide the number by 2 and note the remainder. 43 divided by 2 gives a quotient of 21 and a remainder of 1. 21 divided by 2 gives a quotient of 10 and a remainder of 1. 10 divided by 2 gives a quotient of 5 and a remainder of 0. 5 divided by 2 gives a quotient of 2 and a remainder of 1. 2 divided by 2 gives a quotient of 1 and a remainder of 0. Step 2. Now we write all the reminders from bottom to top. So the reminders are 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. And that means 43 in decimal is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 in binary. It's that simple. With practice, you will be able to convert any decimal number into binary easily. Thank you for watching.